Well, go stand by the diplomat now.
Diplomatic, not diplomat.
Diplomatic, sorry. Not open at the moment.
That ain't the diplomatic.
That's not the
That's
diplomatic.
Hotel Los Almas.
Okay, Los Almas. Los Amigos. No.
Los Alamos.
There you go, Marcus, I got it. That's not open at the moment. Alright.
Diplomatics next
Right,
door.
we'll try again on the next one. It's in the sign too early there, guys. Yeah, the diplomatic. I thought that was open actually. I think it's been open all the way through. I think it may be because they've got business customers rather than just holiday makers. Here we go. There it is. There's reception. Scan up the building. There you go. It's not a big one, this one. I think it may be, I think they do take holiday makers, but I think it may be more business maybe. That's maybe why they're open still. Beds over the road there.
Beds.
Put the beds down. Well, it's all right, he said.
You're welcome. Evening, sat now.
Sure, I wouldn't get half as much wrong if I was filming on my own. Bit of noise coming from Benidorm. Whatever next.
Jesus, blooming. What?
I think somebody's just blowing something up.
No, I think it's part of the feathers.
Hey. There you go, guys. We've been sellers this weekend, should it?
Yeah, I think it's cannon fire from the castle.
It went off with a bang, whatever it was. So we should be walking down firecrackers and everything now. Is that right?
No.
No?
The feathers are pretty much big cardboard and paper mache statues that get marched on the street of Benidorm, then set on fire. I mean, I do imagine they have fireworks as well, though. You know the Spanish.
That's why they don't play cricket, isn't it?
True.
They can't have fireworks at the test match. It would take too long playing against them anyway. Tom, they had a boundary, they'd have a party, a day off, wouldn't they? That's what it's like in Spain. A party for anything. Brilliant place, eh, Marcus?
Yeah.
Glad when it gets back to normal.
Someone's got fireworks.
There's fireworks going off somewhere.
It's setting them off in the day, but I mean,
70 degrees.
Benidorm point.
Oh, it feels a lot warmer than that.
Up there,
Aye.
I said stop them, that's going to have a blooming heart attack.
Well, we just come up to a certain time, Marcus. What time is it?
But Before. Like there's someone's just been shot or it's got half four.
Yeah, probably just R4 though, we're going to let them off. There it goes, the two going.
God.
I don't think camera will pick them up. Won't be any more now, but in home up there.
They're just like little ones.
Can't really see anything, guys, so we'll move on. It'll be the last video of the day anyway. You imagine what happened, you imagine that happened every 10 seconds. That's what it's like up on the Spanish side when the fiestas start. When the Peñas start, yeah.
Every day as a Spaniard you've got drunk.
Great time. Okay, guys, we're going to go down to the jumping jacks. They're open again. Let's see what happens. Don't forget, if you like my videos, watch the one that's coming up on the screen in a minute. I'll take you to the next video. Stop on here as soon as possible. Enjoy the channel.
They're going off further back somewhere.
Yeah, guys, there's jumping jacks. That's all in there.
I think they might be having a song walk, so you've got loud before it.
Usually do. Yeah, well, I'll say goodbye now, so see you on the next one, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.